is Sarveshvaran.
And my name is Kuhaneshwary. We will be presenting our project entitled Sustainable Kitchen Waste Management, Eco-Liquid Fertilizer and Compost. This is the purpose of our project. As all of us know, food waste is discarded on a daily basis due to living nature of human beings. Food waste management using landfill has become more difficult as many landfills have reached their capacity in Malaysia. It impacts the current environmental issue due to its improper separation. As we can see from the data here, 49% of organic waste consists of 44.5% of food waste, which is enough to feed almost 2.2 million people in Malaysia. Malaysians produce 15,000 tons of food waste every day. Hence, with limited space for landfill and rising cost of disposal, there is increased pressure to tackle the food waste management issue. When food waste ends up in landfill, it decomposes and releases greenhouse gases that is 28 times more potent than carbon dioxide. When we waste food, we also waste the natural resources that go into making it, like land, water, and energy.
Hence the objective of this project. First, to raise awareness and responsibility of communities to reduce food waste at home. Second, to compost the kitchen waste into eco-liquid fertilizer and compost to enhance plant growth, flowering, and fruit. How do we compost the kitchen waste at home? First, fruit and vegetable waste collected from kitchen. Next, put fruit and vegetable waste inside a bucket filled with water. After that, soak the kitchen waste for 2 to 3 days. Loosely close the bucket with a cover and keep it outside where the sunlight falls. After 3 days, the organic liquid compost are collected. Then the collected organic liquid compost was dispersed to the plants every once or twice a week. Finally, the remaining solid waste was buried to the garden soil for composting. These are some pictures of flowering plant and fruit tree using eco-liquid fertilizer and compost. Let us show you a simple composting at home using recycled plastic bottle.
Composting is the process of breaking down the organic matter of food waste in the presence of air and water. Let me introduce a simple method of composting at home. Now let's do the composting experiment. Use a recycled plastic bottle. Then make few random holes as shown here. The holes are for aeration, which allows the microorganisms to effectively break down the composting waste. Dig a small hole about 2 inches in the pot and place the container as following. So, containers are properly placed. Add a bit of soil, kitchen waste, and dry waste. Repeat the same sequence. Finally, add water for 2 or 3 times in a week. Let it compost naturally. As a conclusion, the process of converting your kitchen waste is a good waste management strategy which is simple, effective, zero cost, and environmentally friendly. This eco-liquid fertilizer and compost contains all types of micro and macronutrients which can benefit plants. Wide range of environmental benefits by reducing greenhouse gas emission and climate effect. Eco-liquid fertilizer and compost to improve soil ecosystem and health by reducing impact of using synthetic fertilizer and pesticide. Let's grow a greener tomorrow with sustainable food waste management.